Hello, come in. Welcome to our room. So we're here at Sofitel Philippine Plaza Manila. We're having a staycation here, and let's go bring you on a tour of this room. First, when you enter the room, you will see all of your closets. You have your robes and your room slippers with a lot of extra hangers for your clothes. What I like about this room is that all of the extra stuff are here, like for example this shoehorn to help you wear your shoes, and even a shoe brush, and most especially the iron and ironing board is already in your room, so you don't have to request it from housekeeping. The second door gives you more space for your stuff. Our stuff is already here, and your safe is here. There's a drawer with your laundry bags, and then another spot there. I suggest for you to put your shoes there when you're not using them. Let's go to the bathroom next. So on the other side of the door, here you can see the bathroom. So come inside. It's such a cute thing that there's like a window here from the sink where you can see the room inside, and then there are a lot of mirrors here. You have your face mirror for when you're doing your makeup, and then you have like a half mirror for when you're also doing your stuff, and then there's a full body mirror on the door. What are the shower amenities that we have? We already used the soap because of course you need to wash your hands upon entry. You have your dental kit. You have your sanitary kit, which most hotels now provide because of the pandemic. Of course, we need to have our masks and hand sanitizer. And then what's inside? So you have your cotton buds and cotton pads and shower cap, a nail file. Wow, that's new. And your face tissue and your hand towels for washing. And then I think these are like your floor towels. Does this have something? It's your hair dryer is in here. You have your toilet, your emergency phone, and then over here you have your shower. When you enter this shower stall, you will see your rainfall shower and a handheld shower. A handheld shower. Oh my God, what's happening? I didn't turn anything on. And then you have your bath towels and your shower amenities: shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Let's go to the main part of the room. Here you have your bar area. When you open this top cupboard, you have your cups and like more cups and glasses. And then you have your coffee and tea making facilities here. And then below this is the fridge. And what's on the other side? Oh, you have mugs here. There are other things you can. Your electric kettle is in here too. And the fridge has something in it. It's our baon, kombucha, and we don't want to be dehydrated. There's a lot of water. That's our baon. When we go further into the room, you will see your television and some decorations to make it look a little Parisian. So you don't know, Sofitel is a French brand. And then here is your work table. So let's see, it does look like a comfy desk. And you also have your cable slots for your HDMI and USB and LAN if you need wired internet. And there's a drawer, it has nothing in it. There is no stationery in here. They don't have pens or paper with Sofitel branding. I don't know why. To your left, you have another sitting area, which is nice, so you can just chill here. But the main event is of course here. We have two twin beds, and they're very close together right now. It's nice there are benches at the bottom of each bed to help you with your needs, like if you want to put additional luggage there or if you want to sit down and wear your shoes. What's nice is you also have some little things like your emergency flashlight is here. I don't know why it didn't turn on when I took it. There's another drawer, it has nothing in it. So you have an alarm clock and your phone for all of your concierge needs, your switches, your lamps. I think you have the reading light. Let's go to the balcony. Ta-da! So at the balcony, you will have a view, a very majestic view of the parking lot. And I think that's the film center right across the parking lot. But what's nice is that you also have a view of Manila Bay. To your right, a little bit to your right, over there, you will see, I think that's Star City. You can see a Ferris wheel. And that's the World Trade Center. That's a view of, where are we? This is Manila, right? Yeah, this is Manila. I'm so confused. But you have a view of Manila, but I think far away that's Makati because there are a lot of skyscrapers there. We are staycationing here for a night, and later we'll have the famed Spiral Buffet for dinner. We're going to take you there with us. Welcome to the Spiral Breakfast Buffet! So I already got my first plate and I already surveyed the area and found that it's much like a regular hotel breakfast. I expected it to have a lot of options the way a regular Spiral Buffet would, but turns out it's over 50% less than the options that we had during our Spiral dinner. So my first plate is quite a full meal already. I have garlic rice, corned beef, chicken sausage, bacon, and a ham and cheese omelette, a hash brown, and sauteed mushrooms. Let's try it. Corned beef. I'm not really a big corned beef person, but that's very good. Very good. Very flavorful, bit fatty, strong beef flavor. If you're a meat person, you'll enjoy the corned beef. It's good. I'm going to try this freshly made omelette. I love egg. I'm such an egg person. Well, basically, I'm just a food person. Oh, the cheese is nice. The cheese in the omelette, so nice. Crispy bacon. I hope you heard that. It's true to its word. It's really crispy.
Chicken sausage. The food quality quite surprises me. It's good. Oh my god. They know how to do breakfast really well. A serving of pancakes with salted caramel banana and chocolate. Let's drink tea first. It tastes like banoffee pie in pancake form. Baked goodies. So I got a croissant because of course Sofitel is a French hotel, so we better try this whether it's a legit one, and a pain de chocolat, and they gave me 5 billion butter and baby jams. Look, 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 look. Let's try this. Gusto mo ng butter, ah? Eto, sa'yo. Good. Would have been so much better if it were one. But it's good. Oh! Towards the end, you'll taste how buttery it is. It's nice. Butter na tinubuan ng tinapay. Let's try this pain de chocolat. Or if you're in a different part of France, chocolatine. So apparently, there's a huge debate over whether this should be called pain de chocolat or chocolatine. It's basically a chocolate croissant. So I'm officially in a food coma. I ate so much yesterday and today. That's a lot of carbs. I think if you're staying at Sofitel, it is worth it to have a spiral buffet breakfast. It's part of the experience, and I'm so full. I need to go to sleep. Sleep agad. I also have a video sharing tips on how to maximize your Sofitel spiral buffet dinner. So if you want to know more about that, link is in the description, somewhere here. The Wandering Wanderer left footprints at the Spiral Breakfast Buffet. Nakatulog. Sarap eh.